Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by x. Next, we have y and first derivative of y. This is about linear differential equation. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu x equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that negative 1 over x next to y. This is for integrating factor. And then I will put this one going here. And we have negative ln x. Later that negative, that is about negative number 1. So we put negative number 1 go inside about natural law in here. And this one we have x to the power of negative number 1. And that is about 1 over x. That means we need to multiply both sides by 1 over x. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y over x. This one we have sine x, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.